there. You're going to be fine. Lady, my sign is still out.
Styles! Do not mess with the window, do not get out of your seat. How though we were going to go back to CPLA and bring it. And she was like, well, I think that's last year. And last year, in first grade, usually they do like a movie in the second half. And I was like, oh. And I was like, yeah, that's not happening. I was like, 2 hours of a movie, that's extra work for me. I was right off the nothing. Yeah. I've never seen the second one. I always imagined it was terrible. So.
Like right now, Zach is playing Red Dead Redemption 2. It has voice acting. Every time he goes over,
Nice. Have a good day, guys. Are you serious, dude?
Can we not do it? This is a base coat. JJ, this is a base coat.
I have to ride away, you idiot. I am on a school bus. Are you kidding me?
The road rage is like that.
Have a good day. Have a good day. Izzy, can you tell your friends thank you for me? It was a very nice card. Thank you. Yes. Have a good day, guys. Make some room, please. Have a good day. Okay, across.